Hi everyone, we're back with more of our time from Kalahari, and in this video we're going to show you Tom Foolery's Adventure Park. You don't have to stay at Kalahari to enjoy Tom Foolery. You can add the passes during room booking or just buy them separately. But pro tip, if you do book your passes with your room, you do get a better value, so I think it saves you around $5 a ticket. So if you are a thrill seeker and Rhea happens to be, this is the ride for you. It's the G-Force 1 and it's like a big pendulum that swings and spins super fast and loops you around upside down. MK and I decided to leave the thrill seeking to the kiddos and we set this one out. Yeah, we didn't regret our decision. This ride is better experience from the ground, in our opinion. The girls said they were a little dizzy after that, but it definitely didn't slow them down any. On to the next. Up, up, and away. No, I'm kidding, but you get the picture. This one is called Maximum Velocity, and the kiddos loved it. Next up, the girls decided they wanted to get in on the rock climbing action. So, full disclosure, Rhea has attempted this many times at other places, and I think at this point you could almost consider her a pro. Again, remember, this is the thrill-seeking child. Here we have Exhibit A. She really does make it look so easy. Me, personally, I could never. There she goes again. Rory, this was her first time and her shoes were definitely not the best suited for rock climbing. But she gave it her all and we were so proud of her. So I wanted to show this clip. This was round 2 from our next day at the adventure park. She went so much further and it was such a great reminder to stick with things and not give up. Here is us on the XD Dark Ride. It's a must do. We didn't get a lot of footage and I apologize, but it's definitely worth checking out if you visit the park. Here we have what they call the human claw machine. When I first saw this attraction, I couldn't help but think, dreams can come true. What child wouldn't want to actually become the claw and get to pick their prize? Not only that, but you actually can win a prize, because I don't know about anybody else, but I've never been able to win a prize at the claw game. Mission accomplished, prize secured. For us, we all thought this attraction was so neat. What color would you have picked? Next up, mini golf. Have no fear, Theo. We're confident you'll be a pro in no time. Mini golf is such a classic and we really had a lot of fun with this. Rhea has also learned that she's naturally good at golf, so maybe we have a future golfer in the family. Tom Foolery has a huge selection of arcade games, but it operates on a separate system. You buy a game card with credits and you can load with whatever amount you choose. You then use those credits to play whatever games you want, just like at most arcades. every now and then, adulting can just wait. We joined in on the arcade action because seriously, who's ever too old for this?
When the light comes in, yeah, do it.
Go, Rhea, go! But woo, this one wore me out just watching. Ice cream break. We needed some sugar to keep our energy up. This is why we needed the ice cream break. This game is called Ball Madness, and it is a race against the clock to see who can get the most balls deposited. Theo is not one to be left out and wanted to get in on the fun. The kids also decided that teamwork was the way to go because the ultimate goal here is tickets. More tickets equal more prizes, so it was well played on their part. Well, it looks like our thrill-seeking days are not quite over yet. Rhea and Rory decided they wanted to try the zipline adventure, so they got suited up and off they went. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Nope, it's Rhea. Rory had a little fear, but she didn't let it win. Way to go, Roar. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end. From rides to mini golf to arcade fun, it was a blast. Have you ever been there? What was your favorite ride or attraction? Let us know in the comments. In the meantime, keep having fun and making memories. We'll see you in the next video.
Oh.